So today, I have googly eyes for chocopaie. So in addition to doing a quick review of different kinds of chocopies that you could enjoy, I'm going to show you how to turn chocopaie into an ice cream sandwich. It is so good. It's really good. I bribe my children with chocopaie ice cream sandwiches. It's so yummy. And also share with you my other favorite ways of enjoying chocopaie, because chocopaie, if you're having a bad day, chocopaie will make it a little better or a lot better. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper's first blog, where we review Korean ingredients, Korean food, Korean gadgets related to cooking. So chocopaie is your Korean moon pie, but it's completely different from moon pies in that the taste is very different in my opinion. It looks kind of similar, but it's different. So this is the original chocopaie, and in Korean we say original. Original. So it's basically original, but we chop it up into original. So the original is what I grew up having. The top and the bottom layer is made of cake, and it's just simple cake. And then the middle is marshmallow. And then the outer side is dipped in chocolate. Now, when you bite into it, it's so good. That's all I have to say. Overall, chocopaie is not that sweet. The cake itself is not that sweet. The marshmallow is not that sweet. I mean, it is sweet enough to satisfy your sweet tooth, but it is not sweet like moon pies. So it's kind of becomes addictive. Like you could just inhale one and you're like, ooh, I want another. You want to try out these different flavored ones. This one is banana and so yum. You could smell the fragrance of banana and the sweetness of banana. This is so good too. So yum. Okay, you must try. And then we have the green tea. Who doesn't like green tea, right? So green. Oh, that's good. The green tea taste is subtle. It's not like overwhelming, like you're just having like straight up green tea matcha or anything like that. But it's subtle, but it's so yum. Oh, yum. I mean, chocopaie in my household, I buy one of these boxes. It doesn't even last half a day. I mean, everyone in my household, they're like, I don't know, I only had one. I don't know. I'm like, who ate the rest? I don't know. They only had one each. So there should still be a lot left, but it's always disappearing. This one is CACAO, so it is extra chocolatey. So the cake inside is chocolate cake, basically. That is good. I mean, again, it's not sweet like your regular brownie or chocolate chip cookie or moon pies. The sweetness is probably half the taste of that, but it's still so good together. And the marshmallow is just perfect amount of that pillowy marshmallow taste in your mouth. So the original one you can find at any small Korean mom and pop grocery store. These other guys, you're gonna have to go to a super big Korean grocery store, then they'll carry them, and some of them still don't carry it either, so you're gonna have to kind of hunt for it. But for those of you that don't live near a Korean supermarket, make sure to check out my blog, and I will have that link in the description box below, and I will list the online links for these chocopies so you could order them and have it conveniently shipped to your house. Now, if you make any purchases using those links, I do get a small commission, and I want to thank you in advance. That means you're supporting my channel, and I really would appreciate that. So thank you. Now I'm going to show you how to make ice cream chocopaie sandwiches. So yum. Now take your favorite choco pie with the bottom part facing down, take a butter knife and go right underneath the marshmallow like that. Just be gentle. And just lift the marshmallow up like that so that it separates. Voila! To shape the ice cream for our sandwich, take a saran wrap, take a scoop of your favorite ice cream, raise it up, and twist it on top like that. And put it back in the freezer for about good 10 to 15 minutes so it hardens. And take your ice cream. I mean, this is so easy. You take the bottom part, you put it on the bottom, and you take the top part, and that's it. Squeeze a little bit. Say, ah. Does that look good or does that look good? Oh, too simple to make and just so yummy. You only make it for people that you like, of course, right? This is the simplest way to have it, with microwaved so that the inside is ooey gooey. And then you put a little bit of your favorite ice cream. I'm using green tea. I'm gulping in my mouth. The marshmallow being warm and ooey gooey with the ice cream, and then the chocolate and the cake. Oh, do I even need to say? Try this. This is like such a simple dessert to have at home and enjoy. I mean, I can't stop. That's yum. I'm gonna share my other two favorite ways to also enjoy choco pie too. Yeah, this is a simple way to enjoy choco pie. I mean, it's far less calories than Oreo cookies, and it still, you know, does the trick. Just dip it, soak it, wait for your pinky finger to let you know it's ready, maybe like 5 to 8 seconds. And then, I'm having it with the banana one, with the milk. Sometimes in life, one must just treat themselves with choco pie and a glass of cold milk. I think life is good today, at least for this minute right now, before my children get home. And now, you must have it with some coffee too, right? In the afternoon when you need a little bit of that caffeine boost and a little bit of something to hold you over before you could go to bed, because you just have so many things to do in so little time and you're so tired, but tough beans. Oh, look. The chocolate's all melted, it's glistening, and it's just calling out to you and saying, you may have me, I may take care of you. I'm having it with green tea. Oh, and the green tea with the coffee is such a nice combination. And then in addition to the chocolate melting away and the cake being so extra soft from soaking in this hot coffee, the marshmallow in the middle, I can't even describe to you. It's just wonderful. It's just pillowy happiness. It's so good. So if you've never tried choco pie, you must. And if you didn't try choco pie in the ways that I've showed you today, you must as well. Now, this is my first vlog, so if you have any requests for, anything related to Korean food and cooking and such, please do drop me a line in the comment box and let me know. Finally, I get to enjoy my ice cream sandwich in peace and quiet. Oh! Jeez, that's it! No choco pie for you. Okay, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now. James!